Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I've been given the question on, is Islamic banking for the Muslim only? In my view, and from the experience of, in the Islamic banking and finance, as the advisor, as the consumer in Malaysia, Islamic banking is for someone who cares about the universal values and not only necessarily restricted to Muslim consumer. And this is given the Islamic banking and finance principles are following, adapting the Global Alliance for Banking for Values, which looks into the real economy, which where the financing of Islamic banking is actually developing the growth of the economy by financing the sectors that matters. So that is having the universal value without having attached the practice of Islamic banking in one specific religion. And secondly, the Islamic banking is looking at the triple bottom line performance that looks into people, that cares about people, planet, as well as without compromising on the profit as well. So I think that is the universal values again that doesn't restrict the adoption of Islamic banking to specific religion. So I think based on that, it's clear that Islamic banking is not for Muslims only. Like, I am from Malaysia, and Malaysia, as you know, has multicultural population, and we could see that the customers and consumers who are using the Islamic banking is not only Malay, the Muslim community, but also the Chinese, the Indians, and other races in Malaysia. So Islamic banking has been perfectly accepted by a multicultural population in the case of Malaysia, and I think that shows the potential that it also has to be or could be adopted in other population, in other races, and those who are practicing none other than Islamic principles in other countries as well. So that is my take on, Islamic banking adoption. Is it only for Muslim, or could be adopted by other than Muslim? Yeah.